Google Docs, Sheets and Forms. In this article you will find out what Google Sheets and Docs are called, introduce the software, and highlight its many benefits. What are Google Sheets and Docs? Google Docs is a simple spreadsheet program that only new users would be familiar with. It's very intuitive because all of the crucial features are integrated into it. In fact, it has more than 200 features to offer than Microsoft Excel. The function of entire spreadsheet is stored in one small file which can be opened and edited by anyone using any operating system easily. On the contrary, some spreadsheet programs may have the need to download fonts. What is Google Forms? Google Forms let users create forms for collecting and organizing data from multiple sources. Unlike traditional web forms, Google Forms allow users to upload Word, PDF, Google Sheets, or PowerPoint files as well as update the information in the file from any device that has access to it. Google Forms can help users create custom forms for surveys, checklists or task cards. To attract more submissions, Google Forms can send an email notification to the user when someone submits a form. Users can expect the maximum of 99 responses per user and 15 submission limits per form. Over a period of time, data analytics in Google Forms let users search through data not only by filter. Users also have the capability to export data to various formats like CSV, HTML, JSON and PDF files. The introduction of Google Sheets, including features. Google releases new features for their spreadsheet software, most notably Google Sheets. This software allows users to upload and share documents through Google Forms, as well as form columns that can be shared among different documents. The update also includes minor cosmetic changes and a feature called Import Data, which converts Excel spreadsheet files into compatible sheets. Advanced features for spreadsheets. Google Docs, Sheets, and Forms are great tools to use. Google Docs allows you to create and edit documents in a quick and efficient manner when using the Google Chrome browser. With advanced settings of Sheets, you can have multiple sheets editable by different users in real time. Forms allow you to create submissions more easily while staying within Google Drive. Putting all of these features together makes the Google Captions and Visuals website a great tool to use. Google Captions and Visuals website is free. It allows you to create captions, visual markers, annotations and various other ways of conveying information. This translates really well into much of a presentation as it allows you to get everyone on one page from several different sources, thus making it easier for your viewers to understand what is going on when it comes to giving presentations on any subject matter. These websites are mainly geared for college students, professors and learning institutions. However, anyone can use these to make their presentations run much smoother, so hopefully you will find this useful. Google Captions and Visuals have different features, but the same CTA button is present both. However, if you use the Google Captions and Visuals website to create your own captions, this allows for other typing tasks too. Both the captions and visuals on this text generator are done for you for easy editing and sharing, however credit still needs to be given. Check out with Google. The sidebar of this website is filled with different presentation templates. Just choose the kind you prefer and type your presentation in order to have a pre-made slideshow curated by speakerphone users. The rules from original source, but there's no spacing at all between our created slideshows. Scoop JOTGA enters more than. Conclusion. Google Docs, Sheets and Forms are a great way to collaborate with others. One person writes the document while another edits the text. This helps eliminate minor mistakes in the document. Google Docs also allow you to customize how you write your form, from what type of font or font size to use. This sounds overwhelming, but the best way to understand is to simply click and look around Sheets, Docs, Forms or Forms. Create Google Docs and spreadsheets via autofill. Have you used OpenDoer before? Maybe as a seller if you're advertising that very lead buying operation. You advertise and they break in one day after your ad has gone out. This is purely from the auto format of the info and title available on form entries. Today it might be clear, whatever is clearly presented on form entries will grab attention. If it's offered as not clear or dubious on the possible seekers of your products or services, you may get negative review and the exact opposite outcomes that you want. You'll want to eliminate any this with a simple query allowing your leads to contact you directly in the event that they don't see where you are heading with the offer.com allows all of them to visit your landing page among various sources instead of only one, as well as offers. Benefits for doing so. Internet business isn't complete without outstanding, quality website, and that's all about complete for most sites. There are a couple of essential ways to get potential leads, especially before launching your website. 1. By advertising with companies who specialize on such kind of products and advice. Ask if they need help in getting even more customers will tell you to write the landing page with fantastic content and pictures. The more intriguing and interesting this is,